And we are back in FL Studio again. It's good to be back. I mean, I've been in here before, but not in video form. So, welcome back, everybody. Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier, and welcome back to another tutorial. We will be learning how to sample again. How many sampling tutorials have I done? Like 3, I think. I'm just gonna go back to my house. Oh shit. Well, that was random. Anyway, no 5-minute intro this time. Let's just get right into the news. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna open up the old project from the last video. It's the chill 1 2 3 4 5. So we'll base the tutorial off of that one. Just opening it up. Takes a while. Whoa, why is it green? Did I do that? Oh, I did. Okay. Let's just listen to the track again. So as you can tell from the sample, I actually sampled Ray 0 to Stay Alive. It's the ending song. It's been a while since I've seen it, so I think it's the ending song. Let's just get into how I made this. So let's just start on a new mixer channel. First, what you want to do is open up Edison, and then you want to find your sample. So yep, let me just find that sample again. It's called Stay Alive by Amelia herself. Alright, so yeah, you drag it into Edison like that, and then you find the starting point of it. So if you're on the desktop, you scroll with your mouse like this. If you're on a laptop, good luck. But yeah, you find the starting point. Wait, why does it sound like that? Oh, okay, the starting point is actually over here. So that's the part I took. Right here where the peak is where the singing starts. So I don't want that. I just want to find it, or like cut it off here. So find the endpoint, and it's like around here or something. You kind of have to guess, but there, like that. And then once you're done, you get this arrow thing over here. You drag it onto the playlist, and you have your sample. Let's just move over here, because, I don't know, it's easier. You want to line it up. You want to make sure it's on time, so turn on the metronome. Way too fast, so what you want to do is you double click on this, and it'll bring up this, it'll bring up the audio, and then you try to match it. So go to the time knob, and try to make this whole sample 4 bars. So this, that, this, and that. 4 bars. So try to do that, and then see what it sounds like. That was very easy, wasn't it, everybody? So yeah, actually, that actually was pretty good. So then you want to reset the pitch. So yeah, right click on this, pitch knob reset, and then it'll go back to normal, and it's on time. And then all I had to do is add a beat to it, and holy crap, was that it? That cannot be the tutorial. That is that was fast. Let's see what else I can do to it. I mean, I can just find the drums. This is the drum pattern for the beat. Did you guys hear that crackle? Come on, audio interface. I don't know why I looked there. The audio interface is right here. Yeah, you have your sample. So then you just, paste it like this, and put your beat right here. The next thing you can do is like reverse your sample. So just double click on it and click reverse, and yeah, it should sound like this. Very simple stuff. So yeah, actually what you want to do is I like to do this. You can normalize it. It'll make it big, but you know, you can always use the volume knob because people don't realize volume's there. Yeah, and then what I did for the sample was I added a parametric EQ, so you want to cut off the low frequencies. So yeah, just, I mean, I'll just do it right here. I'll do it on a separate channel again. So, oh, not that one, that's the recording one. I tried to sing over this. You guys won't hear that version. You do not want to hear that version. Whoa, why is 11 like that? Want to go to your parametric EQ, and then you get the purple one. Drag it down until you see that that pattern, and then you go to your frequency knob and drag the 1 around this area. Well, play the sample first. So you want to look for the lowest point of the song. There's not much in here, so I just like to leave it right here. See, the more you go, just find a soft spot, sweet spot. You kind of want to have some bass in there though. You don't want it to be too empty. I mean, even though you're having an 808 onto the track or whatever, like a sub bass or something, you kind of want to have some of that oomph to it. And then the next thing you can add is like a stereo enhancer. I like to just use stereo enhancer. Click the 4 strings preset. It'll widen up the sound, so that's a cool thing. And then you can also add some cool reverb on here. Mess with the wet knob. Tracks are good when they're wet. Effectrix is cool too. You can use the reverse bars and the reverb bar filter. I mean, you can add a filter too. I think I added a filter. Okay, and then it sounds like this, you know. Oh, featuring vinyl crackle. See, it makes it sound like a totally different song. So it's the neat part. But yeah, that's what you can do. That's how you sample. That's how you add effects to your sample. And then after that, you add your cool drums and your cool effects and your cymbals, and ignore all this. This is me trying to sing. But yeah, and then your 808 pattern. I can show you that too. I'll play this one again. Reverse it. And then I can even just add it to the, what channel was this on? 5. So then if you add it to this, it would sound exactly like this. And then obviously you can pitch it down or up to avoid that copyright, even though it doesn't help. But you know, just to stay on the safe side. I also can't stress this enough. Make sure your 808s are on key, people. It will make the world a better place. Anyway, that has been it for me. I'm AcesToAces. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to keep on the lookout for new videos. Was that really the outro to the video? I should just add Markiplier crying for no reason in the top. Like, he's just reacting to this FO Studio.